To do 27. I really have no reaction to it. Besides, it's still early. We really won't know any of these things. We're talking about 2028. Ano itong mangyayari between now and 2028. And the only real situation will become clear in October, sa filing. Then we will see really kung tatakbo ba talaga, sino ba talaga tatakbo, sino kanino sasama, what are the parties involved, which parties are in alliance with which. Doon lang natin makikita sa October. So all of these announcements, tignan natin kung matutuloy pagdating ng October.
Just a quick follow-up, Mr. President. Given the resignation of the Vice President from your cabinet, given the resignation of the Vice President from the cabinet, can you give us the status of the Unity Coalition?
Of the?
Unity Coalition.
You have to remember, the PDP was never meant a part of the Unity team. PDP was never part of Unity kahit anong election. So it does not change anything for the Unity. Depende lang kung ano yung positioning ni Inday Sara pagdating ng eleksyon. Siya ba ay nasa administrasyon o siya ba ay nasa oposisyon? That will be the only major determinant. But as the parties involved, pareho pa rin ang Unity. Hindi pa rin bago.
Sa hugpong po yata si... Sa hugpong po yata si Sara.
Pero hindi, pumasok siya sa lakas. Kusugpo is a local. So she came in as lakas. Pero umalis din siya sa lakas. Kaya nga, that's what I'm saying. Depende kung saan siya papanig. That will determine whether or not that will be the biggest change in the Unity. Na kung mawala sa Unity si Inday Sara, yun ang pinakamalaking change na sa Kaliman. Pero yung partido, hindi naman yung bago eh. We are already in alliance. We are soon to be in alliance with we're already in alliance with Batas. We are soon to be in NPC. We are soon to be in alliance with NUP. We are soon to be in alliance with the Nacionalista, which is basically the same list as what we had during the 22 elections. So the Unity is still there. If you look at the structure of the parties that ran together in the last election, that really hasn't changed. It really hasn't changed.
Salamat po.
Okay. All right. Maraming salamat.
One stamp kasi yun.